Ever found yourself on the verge of a great discovery but just didn't know where to start? Well, the answer is simpler than you think, and it all begins with asking the right question. Today, we're not just asking questions, we're crafting the perfect one, the one that will unlock a world of answers and set the stage for a research paper that's nothing short of a masterpiece. Are you ready to become a master question crafter? Stay tuned as we unlock the secrets to creating the perfect research question. Imagine standing at the threshold of a grand library, ready to unlock the secrets of a topic you're passionate about. That is what a great research question promises, a gateway to knowledge. So let's get started. The right question is like your guiding star. It's clear, focused, and opens up avenues for exploration and discovery. So how do we find our guiding star? Remember the points: clear, focused, and explorable. Let's get this journey started with step 1, shall we? Step 1 is to identify your topic. Pinpoint your topic of interest. Let's say that you're fascinated by the world of sustainable living. That's your starting point. To warm up, then you get yourself familiar with the basics around this topic, leading to step 2, narrow down your focus. You need to refine your focus to make the research more engaging and manageable. From sustainable living, you might choose to focus on sustainable food habits. Now we're zoning in on a specific aspect, which makes our research much more structured and exciting. Leading to step 3, formulate your question. With our focused topic in hand, we march on to this new step, the creation of our research question. So let's stir the pot with some WH questions. And WH questions can be who, what, when, where, or why. We'll use what. What about asking, how can individuals adopt sustainable food habits? Oh, see how it invites exploration and not just a straightforward answer? That's the beauty of a well-crafted research question. And that takes us into step 4, to evaluate your question. Before we seal the deal, we have to ask ourselves, is it clear? Does it hold focus? And more importantly, does it beckon a thrilling exploration? Well, our question seems to check all the boxes, giving us a robust foundation to build our research upon. And voila, there you have it. You're now equipped to craft research questions that pave the way for insightful discoveries. Remember, every great research begins with a curious mind and a stellar question. This will help you write your thesis statement, and there's a link in the top right of your screen for help with that. A research question and a thesis statement work hand in hand. That research question helps to guide your inquiry and exploration into a topic, serving as a focal point for your research. And meanwhile, the thesis statement is a clear, concise answer to the research question, presenting a central argument and offering your roadmap for your readers by articulating what they can expect in the ensuing paper. They essentially function as the question and answer duo that drives the narrative of your research. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more enriching content. And until next time, happy researching.